In this video, we'll explore how to import data using ODBC. Before importing, you may need to set up the data source connection on your PC, depending on your OLEDB provider. In Control Panel, locate and open the ODBC data source. In the User DSN tab, click Add, select the appropriate ODBC driver, and click Finish. A configuration window appears where you can enter the required information to add the data source. Now in Navicat, click Import Wizard from the Object toolbar and select the ODBC import type. On the next screen, click Add Data Source. In the Provider tab, select the appropriate provider. Then, in the Connection tab, select or key in the required fields. You can click Test Connection to ensure the details are correct. If the connection is successful, all available tables will be listed. Select the objects you want to import. You can also use Add Query to import only specific rows from your source tables. The query will appear in the list, and you can select it, and to modify or delete it as needed, click Next. Moving on, you'll select the target table. The system auto-suggests an existing table if a match is found. You can use the drop-down list to change the table or enter a new name to import it as a new table. The next step is mapping. Select an object from the source drop-down list. Here, you can check and adjust its field structures and map fields if you don't want to use the system-assigned values. You can also click Condition Query to add a Where clause, which lets you import only rows that meet your criteria. After mapping, you'll select the import mode, which defines how the data will be imported. The default modes are Append and Copy. Other modes become available if you have defined a primary key for the object. You can click Advanced for more settings, which may vary depending on your server type. For example, with ODBC, you can choose to include unique keys, indexes, and foreign keys during the import process. When you're ready, click Next. On this final screen, you can select Save Profile for future repeated use or for scheduling. Click Start to begin the import. You can see the progress, along with success or failure messages. To use the profile you saved, just double-click it from the Objects tab. If no adjustments are needed, you can simply click this button and then start to run the import with your saved settings. That covers the basics of importing data with ODBC. Thanks for watching.